In this video, I will share with you guys step by step how we made $19,725 in commission with affiliate marketing using Google, okay? Just by using free traffic from Google. I'm gonna share with you guys my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn these commissions. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and I made this commission just in one single month from the first day of the month of July until the day 30 of this month. This is my commissions, my clicks, my CTR, and so on. Okay, so for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using Google, make sure to watch this video until the end. And if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you, and you can start making commissions like this, okay? Because you need to follow those steps step by step, okay? Anyway, let's get started. So for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, okay? Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So all you have to do, you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So what you guys can check this website. You can get ideas about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, okay? It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses paying you just few cents. This one is paying good commissions, okay? And the best part with this one is you can earn commission from one person if he keeps buying those services from your affiliate link. So if a person buys a service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. If he buys more services in the future for the next 12 months, you will keep earning commissions from every single service he will buy, okay? Anyway, so just click here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, okay? You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, okay? And account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You guys can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, and that's it. If you have Skype account, you guys can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, okay? It's super easy, guys. So what you need to do is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that you will start promoting on Google to earn commissions, and of course for free, okay? So what you will do next, you will go to Google, okay? So let me show you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Google. So here is what you need to do. Go to your Google homepage and search for restaurants in California. It doesn't matter the country. You can choose any country that you want to target, okay? You can search for restaurants in United States, restaurants in Canada, restaurants in Australia, restaurants in UK, and so much more. You have a lot of countries that you can target, okay? So for me, I want to target those businesses from California. So I will search for restaurants in California, and here you go. You will scroll down, you will find a lot of businesses about restaurants in California that we will target, okay? That we will use to promote our affiliate links, okay? So let's pick, for example, the first one. So guys, you just search for restaurants in California, click over here on all, scroll down, and here you go. Google will give you those restaurants that are located in California, okay? And you guys can click here to see more restaurants, okay, other addresses. So let's pick the first one. I will click on the first restaurant, okay, and here you go. You guys can see we have the location of this restaurant, and we have also, okay, let me see, we have also this bar over here that's showing us this restaurant name and more information about this restaurant. This restaurant, guys, has website. That's really good. So what we will do, we will click on the website of this restaurant. Okay, let me check. And yes, they really have a website, as you guys can see. So let's scroll down to see if we can find. So we will send a service to this restaurant, okay, about that will help this restaurant to grow and to scale his revenue. So let me show you guys what you will do. So go back, so just click on the website. Like I said, you will be directly in this website homepage of this restaurant. Scroll down. So just let's scroll down to see if we can find where we can contact this restaurant. Okay, we have here location. If we scroll more down, we have here, you guys can see, we have here their Facebook page. That's really good. We also have let me see, we also have this option, guys, contact. We can contact this restaurant business here. If we click on contact, let me show you, and here you go. You guys can put your first name here, your last name, email, phone, and your message here that you will send to this restaurant. Okay, so I will go back and I will click here on this Facebook page to see if they really have a Facebook page. And yes, they have a Facebook page. That's really good. Okay, that's okay, and that's really amazing. You guys can see this restaurant has Facebook page. We have the option of message. If we scroll down, guys, make sure, like I said, always see first, go to the last post and see if they are still posting pictures about their restaurant foods, okay, their menu, for example. So they just posted this post in this month, okay, you guys can see. So that's really good. So what I will do, I will click here on message, and they will send a professional message with my affiliate link to this restaurant business. Okay, so here is what you will do, guys. Next, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for restaurant marketing. Okay, search for this service, search for restaurant marketing. Okay, I want you to pay attention in this step. Always, like I said, choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. And this service is very important for restaurant businesses. If they want to scale their restaurant businesses to get more sales, more customers, and make more money, okay? Restaurant marketing service is important, okay? So it's win-win. They will scale their businesses, and for you, you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose good sellers, guys. Let me see. If we scroll down, we have level 1 seller, level 1 seller, level 1 seller. Let's scroll to see if we can find some good sellers here. Okay, we have top rated seller here. That's really good. I will create a restaurant marketing plan. This one is good. So I will click on his service. Just click on the service that you want to use, okay, for this, to promote your affiliate link in this in Google, okay. Click on the service. This one I choose is really good. This one is good seller. As you can see, guys, this one is top rated seller. And here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. All you have to do is you just need to copy his profile link like this. Copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here and you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link in this restaurant business page. Okay, so what we will do next, we will go back to this restaurant business page on Facebook that we found on Google. Okay, to this one, click here on message. So we need first to create a professional and friendly message that we will send to this restaurant business page about this marketing restaurant service. Okay, so what you will do, guys, you will go to ChatGPT. Okay, we will use ChatGPT AI to create a professional and friendly message. If you don't have a website on ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT like this. All you have to do is you just need to sign up by using your email address, and that's it. And you can just use the free version like I'm using, and you can put this message. I asked him create a professional message that I can send to people to a restaurant to buy my service about restaurant marketing plan from my website link. And here you go. You can put this message. You guys can just copy and paste. I hope this message finds you well. My name is, you can put your name here or the name of the seller on Fiverr that you are using his service. And I specialize in creating search marketing strategies that help restaurants like yours attract more customers and increase revenue. And guys, of course, all those restaurants, a lot of restaurants will be interested to use this service to get more customers and increase revenue. Okay, so what you will do, guys, you will copy this message. Okay, I'm gonna copy just this part to show you guys. I will scroll down. I'm gonna copy this part like this. I will go back to this page and I will put my affiliate link, my message here, and your phone. You guys can put your phone number. Okay, feel free to reply to this message or contact me to reply this mail. I'm gonna delete this. To this message, to this is how we can enhance your marketing strategy. Okay, that's good. This is really good. Here I will put my affiliate link. So I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you have new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same, just copy your affiliate link from here. And as you can see, this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. So you guys can go to Google and search for this website. This website make long links short links. Search for short URL. You can click on shorten, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be short link like this. Copy your affiliate link from here. Go back to this Facebook page and put your affiliate link here. And that's it. You guys can see it's super easy. Okay, I hope this message found you well. I will delete this. You guys can edit this message if you want, and they will click on send. Okay, and they will send this message to this business restaurant with my affiliate link, and that's it. You guys can see it's super easy. Okay, and here you go. This is just an automatic message, but they will get back to you. Okay, because I'm sure they will get back to you and they will talk to you if they are really interested to get and to scale this restaurant business, get more customers and increase their revenue. Okay, you also guys can use the website like I said. Go back to this website, to this restaurant website, click on contact. Okay, click over here on contact and scroll down, contact us, and put your first name here, your last name, your email, phone, and put your message about this. Okay, this message that you sent on Facebook. Okay, you can copy this message like this, and you can put this message here. and you have a lot of restaurant businesses. You have unlimited. Okay, you guys can see. You can send this. This is a professional message. You can put your first name, last name, and send this message to this restaurant business. And you have a limited restaurant. Guys, you just need to really stay consistent and send daily. There is no limit. You can send a limited message to those restaurant businesses. Not just restaurant businesses, guys. You can target hotels, you can target coffee businesses, and so much more. Okay, you guys can see. Let me show you. You guys can see we have this one, this one, this one, and you can target any audience that you want. Search for restaurants in California, search for restaurants in Canada, restaurants in UK, restaurants in all countries. You can target, but those countries are really the best countries. They are United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada. Okay, yes, those four countries are really good countries. You have unlimited customers. You guys just need to really stay consistent, try to talk with those people, and that's it. You have really a lot. You guys also can use. It's not just this service about restaurant. You guys can search for this. Also, this service will people will be interested to buy those services. People who has restaurant business, they will be interested to buy food design post. Okay, food menu design. I'm gonna search just for food design. Okay, search for food design. Though they will be also those restaurants page. They will be really also interested to buy this one from you. Okay, you guys can see to design those foods pictures to make them more branding and professional. Okay, you guys can see you have a lot of services. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Also, guys, I want to explain something. The commissions that I show you in this video, it's not all coming just from Google, from sending message to this restaurant business page or coffee business page or hotels business page. It's not coming just from this. I'm promoting a lot of services using YouTube, Twitter, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Short, TikTok, and so much more. Okay, in this video I share with you my methods with Google. Okay, if you guys want to see more methods like this, comment affiliate marketing in this video, like this video, and by the way, guys, my affiliate marketing course is available now and it's done. People who are serious and interested, please, just only people who are serious and interested, who will put in the work and who will post daily and who will stay consistent, they can contact me in my email in my description of this video, and that's it. Okay, and they will be happy to help you guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.